Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this Diwali special delicious mithai, that is Malai roll. This tastes super amazing and is so easy to make with easily available ingredients at home. So do check out the recipe and give it a try this Diwali. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन्ती देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to make the filling of the malai rolls, in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. To that add half cup of milk and 1 cup of milk powder. Mix and cook till thickens. Keep stirring it. See how it has become like a lump. Now add 3 teaspoons of sugar and ground mixed nuts. You can also chop the nuts and add them. Mix well and cook till it separates from the pan. Now set it aside and allow it to cool down. In the same pan, take 1 liter of full fat milk. Bring it to a boil and let it cook. Continuously stir and cook till it is reduced to half of its quantity. Also keep scraping the sides and mixing. This gives the rabdi a different texture. After it's reduced to half, add 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup milk powder and mix till everything is combined. Then add coarsely ground mixed nuts, few saffron strands. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix and cook for 2 more minutes. Do not thicken it more. Turn off the heat, transfer to a bowl and keep it in fridge till using. This will thicken after cooling. Now cut sides of white bread slices. Roll the bread flat using rolling pin. Then add the prepared mawa stuffing in cylindrical shape. Now roll it tightly. If you are having problem securing it, apply water to a stick. Prepare all the bread rolls like so. Place the bread malai rolls on a plate. Pour the prepared chilled rabdi over them. Finally top them up with nuts and saffron strands. These look like a store-bought mithai and these taste super delicious. The tasty and soft mawa rolls go perfectly amazingly well with the delicious creamy rabdi. So do try this out yourselves this Diwali and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.